Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about Vegas. So, Bitcoin and crypto and Vegas, it's a great match. And I tell you why. Because, there have been a lot of things that have been happening over the past few, actually years, in Vegas, which have a lot of connection with the crypto world, the crypto currencies. So we're going to talk about those aspects today. We'll take the sleaze factor away, and we'll concentrate only on the business aspect of crypto and the business in Las Vegas. So let's dive in. Before we do that, please like my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos, and please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my knowledge, my research, and from my videos. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first, let's look at the crypto-nights. Bitcoin and other cryptos are accepted in Las Vegas. So strip clubs in Vegas have been accepting Bitcoin since 2014. So it's been 7 long years now. So crypto is nothing new in the Vegas world, so to speak. The strip, it's pretty much has a great connection with cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, for 7 long years now. The strippers in Vegas would accept Bitcoin through QR tattoos, and that was at least 3 or 4 years ago. So that's also not something new. The D Hotel in Vegas accepted Bitcoin 3 years ago. So hotels had started accepting Bitcoins for some time now. So all these things have been happening. Sapphire, the Gentleman's Club, is to accept crypto. So that's also something which is, it's not, it's been some time since they've been accepting that. Resorts World, so this is new. Resorts World to integrate cryptocurrency into guest experience through partnership with Gemini cryptocurrency. Now, I'm not going to the world of experience, but I'm only restricting or I'm talking about that integration that Resorts World is bringing into the experience the guest has, and they're using Gemini. So, which means that they are looking to bring crypto acceptance in every aspect of their service delivery, and to ensure that the patrons or the users, the loyal users, could actually pay using cryptocurrency. That means they are indirectly encouraging the transaction or the buy and sell of cryptocurrency or for their patrons or their customers, their clients. So also recently most recently what has happened is that this strip club, Crazy Horse 3, has started accepting Bitcoin. This is the latest news that is coming up from Vegas. Now, how are they doing it? The club is going to accept Bitcoin payments over the Lightning Network in a bid to speed up payments, lower costs, and provide additional privacy to clients, which is much needed for their clients, for their patrons. So cryptocurrency or acceptance of cryptocurrency or Bitcoin in this particular case adds to that level of privacy for their clients, which they die for. And also it lowers their cost. So it's really a match made in heaven. This Vegas nightclubs, the whole business around Vegas really matches well with the cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin is leading the pack there. Bitcoin payment processor and infrastructure provider OpenNode will oversee this new payment rail enabling purchases on the club's website. So overall, it's a great integration. It's a great connection between a service which a lot of people go for, desire for, and there is that sleazy element to it, but being human beings, they do go for it. And when that particular business integrates um, with a solution, a technological solution which is less, compliant or regulated, and then obviously that tells a lot of important stories for the investors. So let's try and now, talk about what these these developments in Vegas and cryptocurrency mean to the crypto investors. So first, widespread acceptance of Bitcoin and some other crypto. So it's gaining popularity, which is number one point. Number two point, greater acceptance means more visibility and hence more scrutiny. Obviously, people who go there, they use, they spend a lot of money. Now, every government, including the United States government, would look into keeping a track of where that money is coming from. Hence, the investors of crypto must keep all these points in mind. Third, your financial transaction will be watched across all platforms, which is a given, which is an absolutely given point, and it's bound to happen. Crypto, with a great technology, business model, and a leadership with a vision for the future, will stand tall. Not all cryptos will go through, but only these will stand tall. So, I mean, in my opinion, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the top most crypto today. So, they have a great leadership, they have a great business model, they have a great technology. So, they will stand tall, and hence, Bitcoin is leading the pack here. Look to investing in those cryptos those crypto that have a great future. So you look at those cryptos, investing in those cryptos. So overall, to summarize, what I'm trying to tell you is that this particular acceptance or match of the businesses in Vegas and the cryptocurrency world, actually helps the investors in two ways. They help them to discern the good crypto from the bad cryptos, and they also allow you opportunities to do investments in the right areas. Hence, avoid scam and FOMO mindset. So that allows you to avoid those pitfalls of investment. So I did a video on the 5 factors that you should keep in mind before you invest in a crypto. I did that a few weeks ago. I'll put that video on the card above. Go take a look at it. And I did cover some of these aspects there. So to all of you should keep in mind that cryptocurrency is still not regulated, and hence it will be regulated very, very soon. It's coming, and you will be watched. Your investments will be watched. There's no way that you could run away from this. So you have to look at those cryptos, or you have to separate the cryptos which are going to give you the best results, and those cryptos which eventually will not make it to the top. You should avoid those cryptos and invest in the ones which are for the long-term cryptos. So that's the summarization of this particular video. And so, as you know, I have an ebook on my journey as an entrepreneur after I quit my 6-figure globe-trotting corporate job back in 2010. The book is titled 6-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. You would also find in this book how I, planned my my life as an entrepreneur, even before I quit my job, what are the things that I gained and what are the things that I lost after I became an entrepreneur, and how I brought this company up. I have two companies now, one in Singapore, one in India, and representation to the US market. And I also put worksheets to help you gauge your chances to becoming an entrepreneur. So you could score yourself based on those worksheets. And the cool thing is you would find me scoring based on my mindset back in 2010. And you would find how much I scored back then. So the ebook is available on my website. The URL is flashing on the screen. I'll put that in the description box below. Put down your email address and your name, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. And to end, thank you very much for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You will find my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Go ahead and connect with me. If you're looking to, if you're engaging me as your consultant to try and solve your business, marketing, technological, and financial or investment challenges, which I do for many clients, please connect with me. You could write to me on message on LinkedIn after you connected with me, or you could drop me a note on the contact page of my website, whose URL will also be there in the description box below. I would then reply to you, and then we'll follow it up with a conference call to see how we can work together. So, before I end, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos, and share my videos with people who you think will benefit from my videos. So until my next video, please take care, please stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye-bye.